Okay, so recently Samsung have started rolling out OneUI 7 beta builds for Samsung S24 series. Yesterday we made a video in which we explained all the new features and changes of OneUI 7.0. And there we got a lot of comments regarding the installation process. Because OneUI 7.0 still not rolled out in India, but still we can sideload OneUI 7.0 on Indian units. And in this video, I'll show you guys how you can do that. The process is very simple and your data also won't get wiped. But now before moving ahead, we have 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So here on the table, you can see this is my Samsung S24 and it's running on the latest build. And guys, to install OneUI 7.0, make sure your device is running the latest build, I mean the November update. Let me show you the software information. So here you can see the build number ends with AXK4. So make sure this version is running on your device, and if you see here towards the bottom side, this build consists of 1st November 2024 security patch. So this is mandatory guys, November build should be there because even I installed over October build and I got error after 45%. After that you need a PC, and on PC you just need two files. One is the zip file of OneUI 7.0. You can find the direct links in the description below. I've renamed the file to update.zip, but if you are downloading for the first time, the file name will be something like this depending on your device. And you need to download the files from here. This link can be found in the description below. For S24 Ultra also, you need to have build number ending with AXK4, and the same thing goes with S24 Plus and S24. Once you have downloaded these files, you also need to download the platform tools. So this link can also be found in the description below. So you just download the SDK platform tool for Windows and unzip the file. So here you can see we have already downloaded. I'll just unzip it. Once you unzip, just copy the update file or the OneUI 7.0 zip file and place it inside the platform tools folder where you have extracted it. So now once you're done with these steps, now you just go to your phone, go to settings, and from here first enable developer options. Tapping on build number 7 times, I've already enabled. Now going to developer settings or developer options, you need to enable USB debugging. If you are doing it for the first time, you'll see restricted by auto blocker. But this thing can be easily disabled. Just go to settings and search for auto blocker and disable it from here. Once done, now again go back to the developer settings. From developer settings, now you need to enable USB debugging. Once you enable USB debugging, it will ask you to allow USB debugging permission. I'll select always allow from this computer and tap on allow. Now just open command prompt in the platform tools. That can be done just by typing CMD in the address bar and hit enter. Now you need to check whether the device is properly connected. So for that I'll give a command ADB devices and hit enter. If you see the serial number, that means your device is properly connected. And if you don't see the serial number, just Google and install the ADB drivers on your PC. I'll also provide the direct link in the description below of the ADB drivers. You can download it. It's a simple exe file. You just have to install it. Once this is done, now you need to reboot your device into recovery. So for that, the command is ADB reboot recovery and hit enter. Now your device should boot into official recovery. So here you can see our device has successfully booted into recovery. Now use the volume keys to go down and select apply update from ADB and use the power key to make selection. Now we are ready to sideload the zip file of OneUI 7.0. To sideload, give the command ADB sideload, and either you can write the name of the zip file, or else if you have not renamed, just drag and drop this file in the command prompt. So once you're done with that, just hit enter. And you can see the installation process has started. We'll wait for the installation process to complete. Once it's completed, I'll get back to you guys. And guys, I'll also do a different video in which I'll show you guys how to downgrade to previous version of OneUI, which was OneUI 6. So don't worry about that. I'll provide you very simple steps in another video. Okay, so you can see the installation process have been successfully completed without any kind of errors, and our device have also started to boot. In total, the installation process might take around 20 to 25 minutes. We have the Samsung logo now on the screen along with powered by Android. And then later on you'll see optimizing apps, and there we go. You can see our device have been successfully booted up. If I unlock the device, you'll see a pop-up which says welcome to OneUI 7.0. Galaxy AI is here. Tapping on Explore, you get to see some more information related to Galaxy AI. I'll just show you guys the software information, and also you'll see a notice that this is a beta software. Due to the nature of test version, unexpected errors may occur. Please make sure to back up your important data in advance. Going to Home, now let me go to the Settings, About section, Software information, and here you can see OneUI 7.0, which is based on Android 15. And this build has 1st December 2024 security patch. So guys, this way you can install Samsung OneUI 7.0 based on Android 15 on any of your Samsung S24 device. If you guys face any kind of issues, drop them in the comment section below. I'll try to help you out in installing OneUI 7.0. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.